हाउ टू डिलीट और मैनेज योर वॉच हिस्ट्री यानी यूट्यूब वॉच हिस्ट्री. How to delete or manage YouTube watch history. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. Many time it happens with us that we search or watch anything which we can't see in front of our family, with our childs or with our friends, and then we start getting suggestions like those videos on your front page, home page of your YouTube watch. Then you start feeling uncomfortable and you want to get out of that situation. Then how you can do, you can just delete or clear all the YouTube search histories so that you start a new beginning, and after that you will never get those type of suggestions. So how you can do, first of all you have to go to your mobile phone, and requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now go to the YouTube. From there you have to click on this icon, and from icon you have to click on this history view all, and after that you will see options like this. If you want to clear this video, then click on this and remove from watch history. If you want to clear this, remove from watch history, that will be removed. If you want to remove any shorts, click on this three dots over here and remove watch history. That's the way you can remove singular videos. But if you want to remove all the search histories, click on this three dot, clear all watch history, and after that click on this clear watch history, and after that your all the videos will be cleared and you will able to start a new beginning. So that's the way how you can clear all your YouTube search history. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.